Ellie. Hi, my name is Henry, and we will be making a Valentine's cake for you today. First, we take the baking mix and ouch. Go with the scissors, Henry. Okay. Then we have to go get some scissors to open this. Okay. And then chopped up. Okay.
And would you like pour it in there?
Okay. And then we pour it in. Then we.
Perfect.
Okay. Perfect. Then we.
Now,
We get some oil. And it says on the box. Okay. Oil. You need water.
Water and
Oil.
both.
One half a cup of oil. So turn it around. 1/2 cup of oil.
Oh, that's a lot. I can tell.
Is that half a cup, Ellie?
Looks like a lot to me. Let me see.
Oh no, that was too much.
Pour it back.
Okay, come on, Henry. Pour it back in.
I thought that was a whole. I thought that was just.
Half a cup's only 4 ounces.
Can I pour that in?
You can. No.
Not just a second. Just a second.
You can pour it into the blue bowl, bud.
Okay. It isn't.
Still too much.
Enough?
Yeah, that's good.
You sure? Does it say 4 ounces?
Yep.
Okay.
Then we pour in the.
Now, Henry, keep mixing.
Then we mix it and mix it. Then we mix.
How much water, El?
Keep mixing it, Henry. Keep mixing it.
And then
the eggs.
can I do it?
Can you stop mixing it for a second?
Let him do one.
No, wait. I'm gonna do one.
Can I crack the eggs?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, can I do two?
Sure, you can do one.
Get all the stuff out. Eggs are kind of oozy.
Just throw it down the sink.
There.
Yuck. Caca.
There.
Then
Whoa!
Good job, Henry.
can I crack?
No, put it in the trash can. Put it in this trash can.
Put it in the sink. Okay, that's good too.
All right, I'll do the next thing.
Is that all you need is 2 eggs? Or 3 eggs?
Yeah, it's 3 eggs.
How much water?
1 cup.
Okay. Henry, you can get the water.
Does it have to be all the way to the top?
1 cup. Where does it say 1 cup?
How high does it have to be?
Oopsies.
Bring it over, I'll show you.
How high? Does it have to be up here?
No, that's 2 cups. This one right here. Right there. 1 cup.
Come on, Henry, let's mix it.
Oh,
He's getting the water.
All right. Gotta mix it up nice and good.
Okay. Wait, I'll stop. I have to put the water in.
Okay.
Then we pour in the water.
It's like a lot of water, Henry.
Now, you guys could put it all into the mixer now. Why don't you take and dump it all in the mixer and it'll mix it better.
Now I mix. Oh, wait, let's put it.
Take everything off the spoon.
Everything off the spoon.
Down.
Now put it in the mixer.
Henry. Stop now, Ellie.
Right.
Now.
Put this in the water.
Oh, so bad. Oops. It's okay.
Get it all out of there, bud. Ellie,
That's
help.
good, that's good,
Get the
that's
spoon and scoop the edges off, babe.
Henry, can you clean that up, please?
No, just scoop some of the bowl into the other bowl.
Oh, it's spinning. Can I? No. Turn it on.
Not yet.
Why?
Not yet. It's not time yet.
Eat egg.
Say I'm really excited, Henry. To the camera.
Okay. Now,
Put the top down. Okay, now
Just at one. Just one.
just put on one. Don't
There.
put.
And then we wait.
Wait.
For it to stir.
Now go. Do you have the stuff to put in the pan? Spray.
I can do it at 10. It'll go. Henry.
of the whole house.
Henry, say while we're waiting.
While we're waiting.
Turn on the oven.
We're gonna turn on the oven to how many?
350.
Then we're going to turn on the oven. 350.
Hit bake. Temperature.
Okay.
And hit start. Did you hit start?
Yes.
All right. Now go get the spray stuff.
Now, Henry, get the spray stuff. What?
It's-
Now we have to go. Since it's almost Valentine's Day,
Wait, I can't see it.
use my favorite heart-shaped pan.
I can